So, Siam, somebody stops you in a bar and says, "What is
Yeah.
Bittensor?" How do you explain it to them in like a minute?
I don't think you can. It's like explaining the internet in the 90s. So what is Bittensor? From the biggest sort of 35,000 foot view, we had the invention of TCP/IP, which led to the invention of the World Wide Web, and that was a global network of information transfer. Then you had the Bitcoin protocol, which was a global network of information and wealth transfer, and now we have the Bittensor protocol, which is a global network of information, wealth, and knowledge transfer, or AI. So it's like a big smorgasbord or buffet of AI capabilities.
Okay, I think that's a decent answer to that.
I have a more insular answer as well, if you want to do the same one, but
Yeah.
okay. So another way I explain Bittensor is using the Google analogy. Everyone knows Google, the big umbrella company is called Alphabet, and the success of Alphabet is predicated on all of the hundreds of mini companies under this umbrella. So you have YouTube, Google Maps, Google Drive, there's DeepMind, there's hundreds of companies. And the gross value capture vessel that gets all of the up or downside of what all these sub-companies are doing is their ticker, Goog, G-O-O-G. Bittensor is exactly the same. So you have the big umbrella protocol called Bittensor, and at the moment you have 128 sub-companies called subnets, and that will be increasing soon. And the gross value capture vessel is Tau, T-A-O. That is the token. And Tau will go up as the subnets perform.
So every subnet is like one of those siloed companies within Google, and the more value they create, the more value rises up to Tau. It's good, that.